tell you something about me. I am real cool, I am something sweet, but when you get angry with me, I might get sour. Never ever knew it was a mission for me to be cooking in the kitchen, but you know I'm just mixing up the medicine and you wanna try. Man, I know you want a piece of this, but it's already gone. My biscuits be so fresh, I cooked them all gone. Rum pa pa bum oh yum 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 yum. My stuff is so yum, so yum, oh yum yum yum. My oh baby, 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 don't you wanna try this delicious cream tasting pie? Delicious, oh, is my pie. Looking good, looking so right. It's tasting so sweet, it's tasting so right. Got sugar between all these fucking thighs. Real nasty, warm and gushy. You can lick it 1, 2, 3. I will show you things you never see in your life. No, I don't want to poison your lunch or even poison your brunch, but it's so good, it's so good, it's so good. Tasty, you won't need to eat, you won't need to eat nothing else but the tasty, it's so good. Delicious pie makes you feel so good. Taste some, my biscuits be so right.